Nabbies! Welcome back to Nappy Missy101. And we're back with another video, of course, with your girl Nappy Missy. And today, I am going to do a Bantu-knot-Out. So, we're going to start, obviously, with these Bantu knots. I've had my Bantu knots in for 5 or 6 days now. And I think they held up really good. I tied them down each night, but now they're starting to lay flat. I can't stand them up. They're disobeying, and it's time for them to be knotted out, you know? So I want to show you how I do that and the results that I achieve. Stay tuned, guys. I'm just going to start off by pulling the knots out gently. So guys, I've unraveled the Bantu knots. We're going to untwist our twist. So we're just going to twist it that way. Separate gently. What I'm going to do is separate them again. So it's all picked out, guys. What you all think? I look like the Bernstein Bears. I don't know if that's cute or what, but yeah. I can pick it out a bit more, but I want this to last some days, so I don't want to tamper with it too much, but I am feeling this. If you're one that gets tired of a hairstyle really easily, I have a few ways that you could style your Bantu knot out. Stay tuned, guys. Next week, this video will be coming to fruition. So, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.